Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This is a reasoning puzzle wherein you have to have a matrix of people with their subjects. So it says that teachers were invited from across the globe to present their paper on different research subjects. The meeting was scheduled in Australia. There were two teachers each from India, England, Germany, Russia and Japan. So 10 plus 3 from Australia, right? The host was Australia, so 13 teachers. Four presentations were to be presented on financial analysis, statistics, machine learning, and business intelligence. Okay, so three of the presentations were in groups of three and one in group of four. So basically 13 people, three for each of the three subjects, and one subject there were four teachers. Okay, so like it's sort of grouping of people. Okay, the group had exactly one presenter of a country and none of the teacher presented more than one subject. So each teacher was present in only one of the subjects. So let's make something that the subjects financial analysis, statistics, machine learning and business intelligence. So we can have maximum up to 4 teachers. Okay, there was no Australian teacher presenting machine learning. Okay, so if there was no Australian teacher, it means there was an Australian teacher in other three subjects, because it says that the groups had exactly one presenter of a country. Okay, and none of the teachers presented. So all others, so there are three Australian teachers, so three Australian teachers in all others except machine learning. Okay, so one Australian here, one Australian here and one Australian here. Okay, now it also means that but since there are 5 countries, right? No, there are 6 countries, so that means we cannot say that we cannot find out which are the people from this statement. Okay, the Russian teachers did not have knowledge of BI, so Russia will not be present in BI. Okay, so this means that it could be in any other two, right? So let's look for some positive statements. So one of the Indian teachers was with a German teacher while the other teacher was presented on FA. That means that one Indian teacher on FA and German teacher was not in FA, because there are two Indian teachers. One was with the German teacher, second was on FA, right? So German teacher is not in FA. So these statements should be understood well. Okay, then Indian and Japanese present on separate groups, so that means Japanese will not be on FA, and so there are 4 groups, right? So two will be Japanese and in the other 2 will be Indian. Statistics was not presented from England or Germany. Okay, so they could be from other countries. One teacher from Russia was expert in ML. So in machine learning we have a teacher from Russia, while other teacher from England was expert in FA. Okay, one teacher from England in FA. Only one of the Japanese teachers presented with an Australian teacher. Okay, now only one Japanese was with Australian teacher. What does this mean? This means that, see, there are two Japanese teachers, right? One with Australian teacher, one without Australian. Okay, one with Australian and another one without Australian. Okay, so without Australian you have machine learning, so a Japanese teacher would be present here. Okay, because one with Australian, one without Australian, so a Japanese teacher will be present in this case. Okay, now it is mentioned that one of the Indian teachers was with a German teacher, right? So in what subject can they have India and Germany together? So you cannot have India and Germany in the C. One Indian teacher is done, one Indian teacher has to be done more. Okay, so this cannot be India and Germany, because it is mentioned that statistics was not presented from England or Germany, right? So India, Germany cannot be here. India, Germany cannot be here because Indian and Japanese teachers presented separately, right? So you will have India and Germany in business intelligence. Okay. Now, now second one is with there should be one Germany teacher which should not be with Indian teacher, right? And because see, one of the Indian teachers is with German teachers, so that does not mean that both Indian teachers will be with the German teacher. Okay, so now German teacher cannot be here, right? German teacher cannot be here. It is already given that German is not in statistics. German will not be here because otherwise this statement it says that one of the Indian teachers was a German teacher, right? If you put a German teacher here also, you will have two Indians with two Indian and German teacher combination. So this means that a German teacher cannot be here. We are already given a German teacher is not here, so the second German teacher is in this subject. Okay, and also that Indian and Japanese teachers are not together, so that means Japanese teacher will be in statistics. Okay, now this is done, and apart from that Indian teacher, one of the combinations with this is done. Okay, and then this is also done. The Japanese and Indian separate. Statistics, England or Germany is not present. So it cannot have, see, there are 6 countries. Statistics, England, Germany is not present. Okay, India is also not there. Okay, so they are left with 3 countries, right? So at least 3 countries should be there. So the third country would be Russia in this case. Okay, Australia, Russia and Japan, because there are 3 countries for each subject, minimum 3 countries, right? So India is not there, right? England and Germany are not there, so Russia will be there. So these are the 3 countries. Okay, so this subject will have only 3 countries. And any other condition with any of the countries? Now we are left with, we have filled 12 of the values, right? So one English teacher is left. Australia 3 are done, Russia 2 are done, 2 India, 2 Japan and 2 Germany, right? So one English teacher is left, so English teacher cannot be here. Now English teacher can be in any of these 2 positions because we do not have any further information. Let's check once again. So Russian not BI, and then yeah, so no other information given about the English teacher. So English teacher, one could be either machine learning could have 4 teachers or business intelligence could have 4 teachers. Okay, so the first question is which subjects were presented by the Indian teachers? Okay, so Indian teachers presented FA and BI. Which subjects were presented by the teachers from Japan? So teachers of Japan presented statistics and machine learning. Subject ML was presented by teachers of which countries? So machine learning was presented by which countries, right? So we do not know the entire list of countries. Okay, so we know that Russia, Japan and Germany is mandatory, right? Fourth country could be England or could not be we could have 4 countries or 3 countries, right? We cannot determine. If 4 teachers presented on BI, none of the teachers from England presented with a teacher from. So if 4 presented on BI, that means the English teacher will come here, right? So England teacher did not present with with people of which country, right? So Australia they present, okay. Germany also they present. Russia they won't. India they present, and then Russia they won't. So this is the solution to this question. I hope you enjoyed this. So please do like the session.